Hello, welcome. This is Blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Lippink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that major hack on play-to-earn games are basically just a matter of time, according to a cybersecurity auditing firm. Let's talk about it as we see many hacks. And by the way, hacks, $2 billion in crypto, have been stolen from cross-chain bridges just this year. And this is now the leader, the cross-chain bridge problem when it comes to hacks in 2022. It's worth to talk about it. And the third news is all about that we have two senators, and they actually now, introduced a bill. And this bill can actually put Ethereum also in the commodity category with Bitcoin, because recently this is a mess what's going on. So if this bill would be accepted in the future, that would definitely clarify a couple of situations, but this is just right now a suggestion. Right, guys, this will be all in today's video, so let's hit it. And don't forget to stay up to date. It's very important. Therefore, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every single weekday. So subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content and it's very important for you. Check out the links under this video. This is very, very important because there are many good ones. And by the way, we have all these hacks now going on. We had the Solana hack, talking about it yesterday. And, the safest place basically is to keep it offline, your crypto, and in a hardware wallet. Therefore, I have for you right now until the 8th of August, a 10% discount on Ledger Nano S Plus, and also Ledger Nano X. And I put it down here in the description, the right link, which is leading to Ledger. So it's not like, a third party who's selling it. It's very, very important. Order it from Ledger. And also, then I will put the code, what you can use. And with that, you can have now Ledger with a 10% discount, which is a great thing. And then on the other hand, very important, you're doing something good for yourself because you're keeping your crypto safe, which is extremely important nowadays when we're looking at the news what we're having even in today's video. And when we're looking at the crypto prices, we can see that Bitcoin is at 22,922. It's a 2% down in the last 24 hours, while Ethereum 1,627, 1.73%. When we're looking at the top, is it frozen now, the website? I wanted to show you the top gainers, but it's just not acting right. Okay, let's do it one more time. And now it's okay. So Optimism is the one which is leading 20%. Then we have Lido, DAO 9%, and Near Protocol 5%. And when we're looking at the losers, then CRO went down 5%, Ethereum Classic 5%, and Oasis Network just like 5%, like the others. So, well, this is what we have so far. Until yesterday, here, the 3rd of August, we had, again, like forming all these things, and we started to go up again. Now we started to go down again with Bitcoin. But if you're looking at the big picture, you can see that since, mid-June, we're forming here, higher highs, higher lows. So even if we now come down to 21,000 or something like that, it will be still a higher low, which is very, very important. So as you can see here, it's up and downs, but going up. So we will see how long this relief rally can take in this bearish period. And now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that cybersecurity auditing firm warns us that basically major hacks on play-to-earn games are just basically a matter of time. And why? I'm going to tell you now. So we face a couple of problems when it comes to hacks. yesterday Solana hack, then we had another one before. So you really start to worry about things, what's going on right now. Look, when it comes to, this was here a post on Twitter that, meme coins in the past not being safe. Then DeFi Ponzi, okay, not being safe. Stable coins not being safe, as you can see, this algorithmic stable coins. Then we have top 10 layer 1 Luna not being safe. Bridges, as you see, not being safe. Then we have, centralized exchanges and also all these kind of centralized lending platforms not being safe, and now wallets like Hot Wallet happening to Solana not being safe. So, well, big questions here in crypto and the way we develop. And look, according to Hacken, which is a cyber security auditing firm, they're saying basically that the security level in play-to-earn games are pretty, the level is pretty low and it's very weak. Therefore, major hacks are just really a matter of time. And they're saying that game fee projects do not follow even the most essential cybersecurity recommendations, leaving malicious actors numerous entry points for attack. Play-to-earn games often incorporate non-fungible tokens in their ecosystem. In addition to crypto, the largest projects such like X Infinity and Steppen used a wide variety of products designed to enhance the gaming experience, such as token bridge, blockchain networks, or physical merchandise on the other hand. So it found that out of 31 game fee tokens they studied, none received the top security ranking AAA, while 16 received the worst, which is D score, so about the half. Hacken's report explained that game fee projects typically scored low, as it found that no P2Earn projects had insurance coverage, which could help projects recover funds immediately in the instance of a hack. And there also finally it found that while 14 projects have received a token audit, only 5 have completed the platform audit, which could find potential security holes in the project's ecosystem. So now these play-to-earn games are very popular, and you can make money with it, and it's great. But you have to understand that it also involves a lot of risk. Why? Because they focusing rather on the gaming experience and not on the security. And they're very weak when it comes to security. Therefore, more hacks can come in the future with play-to-earn games until they don't take it serious. They don't have all audits, and they don't, getting in a better category when it comes to security. So please keep that in mind when you investing or when you playing play-to-earn games, because play-to-earn games are in a very early stage right now. I think they will have a great future, but for everything which is new, in its infant age, many failures can come, and over time they can develop and getting safer and better, but it takes time. And talking about hacks, $2 billion in US dollar in value, $2 billion US dollar crypto, have been stolen cross-chain bridges from cross-chain bridges this year. So this is actually major. Okay, so what is the top, thing for hackers this year? This is definitely cross-chain bridges. So far, worth of $2 billion crypto, were stolen from cross-chain bridges. And the recent one was Nomad Bridge, just not long ago, but just the last out of 13 separate bridge attacks has happened in 2022. So it's a lot. Cross-chain bridge hacks have accounted 69% of the total crypto stolen in 2022. So this is how serious they are, amounting $2 billion US dollar in losses. And yes, here you can see this one. I mean, doesn't matter which I'm showing actually right now. So you can see here Q1, Q2 in 2021. Here is one, Q1 starts in 2022. And this orange one is the, when it comes to hacks, this is what this graph shows. And comes to hacks, this is the orange one, and all other kind of hacks. And you can see that even in first quarter, orange one, major. Second quarter, not that, but the third quarter so far, look at this. Again, this orange. So when it comes to basically cross-chain. And this is definitely a big issue what we have right now. Because, how this whole system works, I have already explained it a little bit this week in another video when I just talked about Nomad Bridge. But the fact is that, you have cross-chain bridges. So basically you can transfer cryptocurrencies from one blockchain to another one. And when you do so, then on the original blockchain, you basically put down it as a deposit. And this is, saved by a smart contract. And it's many times it's stored in one place. So basically this is for hackers, the jam when they actually can hit, because there's a lot of cryptocurrencies, locked down in a smart contract. And why this is happening on one side, so it's there. The new cryptocurrency kinda the same, because that's a deposit for it. It's born on the other blockchain, kind of wrapped version. So this is how it works. But when the attacker, attacks one side, the original side, then and that crypto is stolen, it's not covering anymore the one on the other side. So and now it's getting very popular. But if you think back in the old days, it definitely centralized exchanges were the main target for hackers. Now they have grown a lot when it comes to security. They have done a lot when it comes to security. So now it's not that easy. But now the newest place, and of course the hackers develop as well, are the cross-chain bridges, which have this kind of smart contract, which are not that safe yet. So probably in the future this issue will be fixed, but definitely the hackers will find then another thing to attack. So it's always like this. So yeah, this is, I think, an important data. This is the biggest thing when it comes to hacking in 2022. That's what the hackers most focusing on, cross-chain bridges. Right. Okay, and now the next topic is all about that there are two senators. They kind of introduced, a new bill, and that bill puts Ethereum in the commodity category, just like Bitcoin. And that would be very interesting if they would accept this bill in the future, because it put Ethereum in a totally different category. Because right now, as you know, Gary Gensler is just talking when it comes to commodity about Bitcoin. So originally, even the SEC were talking about the Bitcoin and Ethereum as in the commodity category, which is very important because right now, so it's not a security. But then recently, Gary Gensler said that just Bitcoin is commodity and, Ethereum, it's not. And now, Bitcoin, Ether to be regulated as commodities by CFTC per new Senate bill. And you can see, CFTC, not as CFTC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, are the ones who are responsible for commodities, and the SEC is the one which is, responsible for securities. And now there is a fight between them that who will, control, for example, now Ethereum and what category it's falling in. And then we have the two senators now who altered the bill, dubbed the Digital Commodity Consumer Protection Act, and introduced it Wednesday, so basically yesterday. And the legislation clarifies that Bitcoin and Ether are classified as commodities as opposed to securities, which, would place them under the control of the SEC. So the bill does not mention other tokens or provide criteria for classification. But if this will go through in this direction, then definitely it would be a big saver for Ethereum, because for Ethereum becoming a commodity would be actually definitely good for the cryptocurrency, but they have to have a close look. Right. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. And of course, hit the like button. Okay, if you like this kind of content, no question. Good. Guys, see you tomorrow when I'm coming back with the freshest. Have a good one.